Hello everyone, I'm Cecília Baranauskas. I am Brazilian, affiliated as collaborator to the University of Campinas in São Paulo State, Brazil, where I developed my career and where I live. It is a huge privilege to figure among the 2021 awarded colleagues, especially as one of the Social Impact Award holders. And I am profoundly indebted to all of my students, collaborators, and the Brazilian community of SIGCHI, without whom my understanding of the social aspects underlying technology design would not have been constructed. Do we need motives for being socially aware in design? I don't think so. The computing technology and our way of relating to it, to others and to ourselves, have changed a lot along our still short history of computing technology. The technological evolution along the history of computing has also added complexity with social issues arising from ubiquity of technology and not always perceivable interaction with it. For example, situations of inadvertent capture of personal data in smart environments, the combination of data with machine learning algorithms. There are many ways of facing social responsibilities in design. In my view, being socially aware in design must go beyond having underserved people informing design or paying attention to the social implications of technology in different societies. I like to think in technology as an emancipatory vehicle with opportunities of growth for people participating in its creation. Within this background, I understand design as a social process of joint construction of meaning, participatory sense-making in phenomenological terms, that manifests itself in a social, physical, digital product that mediates our interaction with the world. This understanding for design presupposes a systemic view for computational systems, which we have developed along the last 20 years, and we named the socially aware design. It is a process that recognizes and values social participation and the intersubjective aspects of interaction in the process of designing and experimenting computing artifacts. This talk is being illustrated with images of different projects addressing design scenarios of digital divide, technology in education, and ubiquity in social inactive systems. E-Cidadania, or e-citizenship, is a project that aimed at promoting digital literacy and e-citizenship within a low-income community of Campinas. Results of this project have shown mainly the autonomy of the participants to understand and use other social networks and IT systems as well. In the same neighborhood of the project aimed at co-designing a new school setting with the inclusion of the EXO laptops into the formal and informal children's education. The whole school community was involved: the students, their parents, the school principal, pedagogical coordinators, teachers, servants, among others. The social inactive project is being conducted with the partnership of 3 different institutions. With them, we design and build the artifacts of technology and study the intersubjective aspects of the experience in the constituted scenarios. TangiTime, an artifact of the social inactive project, is an installation designed to address the concept of deep time, the time for geological processes, and scale of billions of years. With TangiTime, children can build their concepts of deep time by interacting with the physical, the digital, and the social elements coupled in the interaction scenario. Once again, thank you very much for the Social Impact Award and your attention.